Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to create our Blue Bliss earrings. These earrings are made with these stunning Swarovski crystal 2-hole hexagon spike beads. You can see they come to a point there to make that little spike. These beads go perfectly with a lot of 2-hole check glass beads and seed beads, and in this design I paired them with SuperDuo beads and size 11 seed beads to create a fun circular design. To make these earrings, you're going to need size 11 plated metal seed beads, 8 of the 2x5mm silver SuperDuo 2-hole seed beads, 16 of the 4mm crystal metallic blue 2x Swarovski bicone beads, 8 of the 7.5mm crystal metallic blue Swarovski 2-hole hexagon spike beads, your ear wires, your FireLine, your beading needle, chain nose pliers, and your Xeron thread and fiber scissors. You can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to make these Blue Bliss earrings, you're going to want to first thread your needle with about 3 feet of your beading thread. Then you want to string 1 SuperDuo, so this is going to be the bottom hole, 2 seed beads, like that, and then from here you want to string the bottom hole of your spike bead, two more seed beads, okay, and then another SuperDuo, and 2 more seed beads. Okay. Now we're going to want to add another bottom hole of the spike bead, two more seed beads, another SuperDuo, and then 2 more seed beads, and then the bottom hole of another spike bead. I'm just going to repeat that again. 2 seed beads, SuperDuo, 2 more seed beads, okay, then you're going to add 1 more, the bottom hole, okay, so now we're going to come back around and add 2 more seed beads. I'm going to create a circle here. I'm going to go through that SuperDuo. And cinch that up. And that's going to be the inside circle of your earrings. So then from here, What you want to do is we're going to step up. So you're going to step up the second hole of that SuperDuo. Okay, and so then you add a bicone. A seed bead. And you go through that second hole of your spike bead. Okay, and then here you're going to add a seed bead, a bicone, and another seed bead. Oops. Seed bead and a bicone, and then go through the second hole of the SuperDuo. Pull tight, and a bicone and a seed bead. Go through that second hole, that next spike bead. Then you're going to add a seed bead, bicone bead, and then go through that second hole. Bicone bead, seed bead. Go through that second hole of that spike bead. Okay, I'm just going to repeat that 2 more times. So seed bead and a bicone bead, and go through that second hole of the SuperDuo. Bicone bead, seed bead, go through the second hole of the spike bead. Then a seed bead, a bicone bead. Then you're going to go through that first, or the second hole of that first SuperDuo. Pull tight. Okay, so now there you have your circle, and now we just want to add the loop here for the ear wire. So to do that, I'm just going to string 6 seed beads. 4, and then go back through that second hole, that SuperDuo. Okay, and then you're just going to go back up. Through those 6 seed beads. Just one more time. Okay, and then at this point, after you have all of this together, you want to reinforce your beadwork here. So you just want to come back out the second hole of the SuperDuo, pull tight, and then just go back down all through all the beads. So it'll make it a little more stiff, because you can see right now it's a little floppy. When it's done, it holds its shape a lot more once you reinforce it. So I'm going to go ahead and reinforce this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've reinforced my beadwork, I just want to go ahead and trim the thread and then attach the ear wire. So just take your chain nose pliers, open up that loop at the bottom, then slide it through that loop we made with those 6 seed beads, and then just close that loop up, chain nose pliers. Okay, and there you have one earring. And you just want to repeat that for the other one. You have a super fun new pair of Blue Bliss earrings to show off. You can find all of the product and materials for this design at fusionbeads.com.